Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to record screen on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! So first we want to expand our control center right here at the top. We want to expand it even further and let's scroll to the right in order to find screen record option. If you can't find it, you have to go and click the pencil icon right here. And you might want to add your record screen option by finding it and clicking it. Anyway, in order to record our screen, all we have to do is click record screen. We can choose if you want to record one app or the whole screen only. I will go with the entire screen. And now I can also switch on the recording audio option and also the show touches. I will keep them disabled. And now let's record our screen. So as you can see, now the recording has started, so we can do something cool. For example, let's open settings and let's scroll down through security and privacy, whatever. Now we can expand our control center once again. So I can't do that anyway. Let's hit stop. And now we can tap to view in order to see our very cool video that we've just recorded. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.